Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at Facebook daily, weekly, shorter term time frames. Big dump in the technology sector today and a big opportunity for buying the dip. Huge lower wick. And we had a lot of people in the chat room, and it's important that we have a lot of people in the chat room that are keeping each other in check, and so to speak, to not let this fear and panic take over. You see these names down 5-6%. Everybody thinks the sky is falling, but we know there's going to be a bounce, and we can eliminate that emotion by using these technical analysis indicators. And when you look at the 5-minute RSI and you see it hitting 6, a level that I can't remember the last time Facebook ever hit that low, you know there's going to be a bounce. We're not just going to fall and drop 10+% in one day. So once you see how significant that dump is, you start looking to play the bounce. And that was a really nice day trading opportunity. So the bulls did bounce off the 200-day moving average support of 118.49. We are in this channel where we rejected from the 100-day resistance. Now we've bounced off the 200-day support. And where we break from this channel, either bullish or bearish, will give us some indication for short-term direction when that does happen. I don't expect to break from this channel this week nor anytime soon, perhaps towards the middle to end of next week. The weekly time frame is all of a sudden a bullish reversal hammer. Right off the 50-week moving average support, look at the dump in January, look at the dump in last August, both bouncing off and keeping the 50-week moving average support. That level is 115.57. We bounced off of it today, and when panic and blood was in the streets, we had a bullish reversal weekly candlestick forming. So the goal for the bulls is to close above 120 and maintain that support to see this nice long lower wick and small real body of the candlestick, to be looking for the bulls to show up next week. On the 5-minute time frame, let's look at this dump. So right out of the gate, we fell right off a cliff. Lost all 5-minute moving average support, and then the 4-period exponential resistance just rejected every single candlestick. Look at the volume. Just a ramp of bear volume all the way to the upside. And when we finally saw the bottom, the first candlestick closing above the 4-period exponential resistance after it rejected the price, every single candlestick for the first hour of the day, that's a signal that you could play with your stop loss below the low of the day. From there, we saw 25 minutes of upside. So if you got in at the top of that candlestick, 116.95, 25 minutes later, we're at 118.63, and you just made $1.50 to the upside. And that was a very short-term trade. We then formed a higher low after consolidating, 116.74, and then we continued to the upside for the next 2 hours. Made it all the way back over 121, and we closed strong, more strong than a lot of other names, because the S&P 500 pulled back at the end of the day. So we see a lot of individual names doing the same thing. Not the case with Facebook. So after being the weakest name on the dump, we quickly became the strongest name on the recovery. And looking at the hourly chart, not a bear flag, because we have bounced significantly. After the first 2 candlesticks, it could have been a bear flag, but because we continued and held on, that is not the case. So now we need to turn some hourly moving averages into support for this bounce to continue. And to watch key levels for tomorrow, we're going to be looking at all the levels set today. And we have support established towards the end of the day at 120.17, down here at 119.83, 117.99. These are all support levels. Every low of consolidation on the way up is where bulls found support, and also where we topped out as resistance. So 121.30, 121.16, 121.18. Tough resistance in the low 121s, but really nice trading opportunity in both directions. We had members going bearish, we had members going bullish, and a really nice opportunity today in both directions. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. I expect volume and volatility to continue to decrease, and should still be some good trading opportunities, however. We'll see you tomorrow after the close. Thanks for watching.